How to change your default video player on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your default video player in Android. Let's just get started. First thing first, you want to go ahead and open up your Android settings. Once you are on your settings menu, you need to find your app settings. So scroll down and find apps, tap on it. Then right at the top, you can find the option for default apps. Go ahead and tap on the choose default apps option at the top. And from here, you can find all of these apps. But what you want to do is basically tap on opening links. Then select an app, a video player app. So what I'm going to do is scroll down here and find my app for video playing. So let's say if I want this video player to be my default, I can just go ahead and turn this option on that says open supported links. You can select whether to open this app instead of your browser app when you go to support a web address. So make sure that this is turned on. And all you have to do is, if there are any defaults set, you don't want to clear it. You can always set it as default. So all you have to do now is go to the video you want to play. Now if I tap on this random video here, tap on the three dots at the top right, I have an option to open it in video player. If you've selected any third-party apps, you can just share it there and it will automatically open in that app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next